All right, I'm doing the placement of the hood light wire. I don't have the hood on, so I'm not installing the light yet, but at least we can get an idea where the wire goes. So there are two clips. I got them here. All right, and they go here. So one here. Get it on. All right, so you got a clip there, and then it gets strapped to that harness there, and then hooks up to the hood, and then down here, the slack. So you got this junction that's right here that stops there, just kind of like that, and then the rest is coiled up onto the wire harness right in there. All right, that's how I did it. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or just if it's coiled or what, but this is kind of how the book has it. And then I'll hook it up to the hood when I put it on, and that's it.